Now here let's make the next part, valve end, ball valve end. So let's start. Select right plane, sketch. We start with center line. Draw a horizontal and vertical center line. Okay. Select line. Start from origin point. Up to construction line and up to end point. Exit. Now this is the geometry of ball valve. So let's start the dimension. First define overall length 0.93 inch. Let's make this height 0.6575 inch. Now let's define this height 0.75 inch. Define this height 1.28 by 2 inch. Now we will define this area biceps. First this gap 0.17 inch. This is small 0.16 inch. .06 inch. Okay. Now what balance? Let's say this area 0.26 inch, and the balance or remaining it's by default 0.05 inch. Now our geometry is fully defined. Okay, and select revolve boss base. Select this bottom line as a axis. Okay. Now this is the valve and body is ready. Now you can see it here. Now select this face, sketch normal, and here we want to create a octagon face. So select polygon and select here 8 numbers. Draw up to here. Exit. Let's check the overall length. .28. We want to change 1.18. Okay. Select center line up to this line. Now select extruded cut and select here 0.5 inch and select flip side to cut. You can see it here. Okay. Now see, this is our geometry. Now let's define some fillet. .06 inch and select this connected to star loop 7 edges. Now see, automatically it will select all the edges 0.06 inch. Okay. Again choose and select this face and let's make 0.05 inch. Okay. Another, keep one more time 0.03 inch and select this face. Select this outer edge and this inner edge. Okay. Now this is what we selected. Now we want to create some select this face, sketch, normal, and here draw a circle. And keep the diameter 0.99 inch. Okay, and select extruded cut and keep inside 0.53 inch. Okay, now again select inside face, sketch, and draw here one more circle and define the diameter 0.88 inch. Okay, and select extruded cut and make the depth 0.02 inch only, not more than that. Okay, see here. Now select this face, sketch, select this corner face, convert entity. Now we want to create here thread, so make a path first, helix and spiral. You can select here height and pitch revolution constant 0.47 inch height, reverse revolution keep 10 revolutions 180 degree clockwise. Okay, now let's create a path. So we will prefer top plane, sketch, normal, and here we want to create the triangle profile. Draw a center line up to the midpoint. Select this center line and select horizontal. Let's define first angle 50 degree and the gap 0.06 mm. This is the length. Okay, and this is by default, I think. Okay, now select fillet 0.01. This radius is too big. Okay, okay, now select star point and find the midpoint of this profile. Okay, now select this midpoint and select escape, delete this point. Now select this star point and select this profile and select here make piers. Okay, now exit from the sketch. Now go to features and select swift cut. Now see here profile is selected, just select the path. See, select OK. Now here we created thread inside the ball wall. See, this is the thread for 1 inch pipe. You can see it here. Now let's make another. Select right plane, sketch, normal, select line. First draw a mid line. Make sure this construction line and it's horizontal. Again choose a line, connect with this line. Okay, now exit. Now let's define this gap. This gap we will make it, let's say 1.288. by 2 inch. This is, I think, let's try this point from here, 1.3035695 by 2 inch. Now you can see here, and this height okay. Now select here revolve cut. This center line selected as a path, okay, is selected. Actually this is the axis. Now see, it becomes taper. Now here we will create cosmetic thread. Go to annotation, cosmetic thread, and select this outer edge, 0.025 depth, blind, okay. Now this is the cosmetic thread we created upside. Here actually it should be thread, but we don't have time to make it thread. Again choose right plane, sketch, normal. First let's draw a center line. Select line and start from here, connects origin point. Now we will define this profile. First select smart dimension. Now this length we will define 1.015 by 2 inch, okay. Now define this length 0.75 by 2 inch. Zero 0.234 inch, and select overall length 0.38 inch. Okay. Now select revolve cut. Choose here revolve cut. Select, see here this center line selected as a axis, okay. Now see, this inside hole is created. So this is our main profile and main end valve. So let's save it. Select material, go to appearance, and we will prefer cast brass. See, this is a better material for this. Now let's save this part. Three by four ball. Part number 2, valve end. Let's go. We will make here third part ball. Select right plane, sketch. Select center line and start a vertical and horizontal center line and just pass through origin. Select circle and draw a circle, okay. Select again a line and draw a horizontal line one end to another end of inside the circle. First define the diameter of circle. (1.2). Now select this circle and here we will define some tolerance. Bilateral plus 001 inch, 0.001 inch, and minus 00 inch. Okay, now let's define this distance from here, from origin point. By 2 inch. Okay, choose trim entities and trim this outer line. That's it. Now select revolve boss base. Select this center line as a axis. Okay. Now select front plane, sketch, normal. Select outer line and just convert it. Let's draw a vertical line up to top line. Select here 3-point arc. Okay. Now select both the edge and make relation horizontal. Select star point, put one star here, one star here. Now define this gap. .1875 inch. Okay. And define one more distance from here to this end, 0.66 inch. Okay. Select corner rectangle. Select this end up to here, exit. Now select this line, outer line, and this line. Make relation tangent. Let's draw a center line also. Okay. Now select these 3 lines, 2 outer lines and 1 center line, and make relation symmetric. Okay. Now define this length. 0.56 inch. Make sure here tangent. Now select extruded cut. Now here first select trim entity and let's trim this outer line. Okay, now that's our geometry. Select extruded cut and here select this line. Only this line, do not select this geometry. Keep mid plane. 0.163 inch. See, you can see here. Okay. See, we cut it some slots here. Fillet. 0.15 inch. Select this inside face. Okay, 0.15 inch. Now again choose this sketch, extrude cut, and this time we will select this face. And select here through all both direction. Okay, edit, select this line also, just delete this, choose front plane, sketch, normal, draw first a center line, select this line and make relation vertical, select corner rectangle, okay. Now select these three lines and make relation symmetric. Now let's define this gap, 0.56 inch, okay. Now select this outer surface and this bottom line tangent relation, okay. Now select extruded cut, keep here through all both direction, okay. Now select this face, sketch, click here convert entity. Now this circle is converted. Now again go to feature and select extruded cut, and we want a depth up to 0.1 inch, 0.1 inch, okay. Now see the hole is created. Let's define the material, select the parts, chrome, chrome plating, see this is the chrome plate, this is the inside ball of ball valve, 3.4 inch. Let's save this part number 3, ball, save. Let's do it another